So I got a 2010 Audi Q5 that I had replaced a set of Bosch OEM wiper blade about 5 years ago. I will have a link of the video and product in the description if you prefer OEM parts. This time around, I want to try out a more budget-friendly option I found at Costco. The Michelin Styles Hybrid line costs about $20 Canadian for the set, instead of Bosch one costs about $50. So for Q5, I got the 24-inch for the driver's side and 20-inch for the passenger side. The Michelin Styles wiper blade will fit year 2009 to 2019 Audi Q5. I will put the Fitment guide in the description for you to double check because it also works for a wide variety of other manufacturer and models. Since this video is dedicated for Q5, the connector I will need is the P5 version for top lock narrow arm. So the first thing is to remove the existing adapter. What you need to do just to rotate it 180 degrees. And then just push hard to pop that out and then remove it from the slot. Next step is to pick the P5 connector, align the opening to the pivoting arm, and then force the adapter in. You will hear a click sound if you do it properly. Now we are ready to install it. Let's go to the car setting and scroll all the way down to windshield wipers and switch the service position to on so the wiper will move out from the rain gutter. Removing the old one is very easy, just push the button and slide it out. And install the new one just as easy as slide it back in. And you will hear a click sound if you do it properly. And now go back into the car and switch the service position to off. Let's do a quick test with the windshield cleaning fluid. And looks like no streaks at all. So works pretty well. And thanks for watching, and please remember to like the video and subscribe if you find this helpful. Thanks.